Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting your TikTok For You page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing you want to do to reset your page is to clear your search history. To do this, open up TikTok and tap on Discover at the bottom left. Then tap on the search bar at the top of the page. To the right of recent searches, tap on Clear All. Tap Clear History on the pop-up. The next step to resetting your For You page is to clear your cache. To do this, tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right corner. Scroll down the settings and under the Cache and Cellular Data heading, tap on Free Up Space. You then want to tap Clear to the right of Cache. Tap Clear on the pop-up. You will see that your cache now says 0.0 MB. Your TikTok For You page has now been reset. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.